Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. My name is Miriam Omari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we talk about all things personal growth and development. Today we are going to talk about unemployment in Kenya and why most youth are not employed. And through what I'm going to talk, it will help you maybe secure a good job by learning why you're not employed. So the first thing why most youth are not employed is because of lack of guidance while they're choosing their university or college courses. So most youth, we usually get out of Form 4 and then mostly you're being called to a university and being chosen a course which matches with your grades. So you end up studying 4 years in university, something that mostly you don't like or something that do not match the job vacancies out here. So when you get out of university or college, you end up getting unemployed. So that is one reason why most Kenyan youths are not employed. So what you can do about that is to get guidance, get good guidance. When you just finished Form 4, get good guidance so that you can know the course to choose, whether it has market out here in the job market or not. The second reason why most youths are unemployed is because they don't have good CVs. So they end up sending a lot of CVs out here, but they're not good. So the employer is not attracted to those CVs. So they end up not getting employed because of that. So you can usually have your CVs made by professional, because in college or university you're not being taught how to write a good CV. So we usually have professional CV writing services out here. I'm going to actually on the comment section attach a link where you can get your CV done professionally, and that can increase your chances of getting a job out here. Yeah, okay. Another reason why most youth are not employed is because of lack of aggressiveness. So you might be having the skills, you might be having a good CV and all that, but are you applying for the jobs out here? So they're usually people who apply maybe once a month, once in 2 months, they apply for jobs and they end up saying there are no jobs in Kenya. And there are those people who are aggressively applying, looking where jobs are, maybe on Facebook groups, just online, to get where jobs are, and they apply for it. So consistent applying for jobs can help you secure a job. And while you're not applying for jobs, of course, you'll not have a high chance of getting a job. Another reason why most Kenyan youth are not employed is because of lack of skills. So most universities, mostly we are being taught the theory part and you're not being taught the skill part. So since you don't have the skills, probably you're afraid to apply for jobs, because most jobs usually ask for experience, so you don't have that experience. So usually after getting out of college or university, apply for internships. During the internships, you're able to learn the skills on the job while you're doing it, so that you have higher chances of getting a job, because now you have experience or you have the skills needed for that specific job. Another reason why most Kenyan youth don't have jobs is because they're usually afraid to divert from what they learned from. So most people usually they stick to looking for jobs which they studied for, but you don't know, maybe you get out here after college or university and you find that that is not your passion, or the course that you studied, it doesn't have a lot of jobs. So you can usually think about what you like doing and you can go to another profession or learn another skill that can help you start your career again afresh. So thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about personal growth and development.